Every year, American business and industry suffer billions of dollars of fire losses. People are injured or lose their lives. Jobs are lost. Portable and wheeled fire extinguishers located throughout your facility and people trained to use them properly provide the first line of effective defense against injuries and losses from fire. Multi-purpose A, B, C, and special purpose BC extinguishers are available. For clean agent fire protection, use CO2, which evaporates after use and leaves no residue. Clean agent CO2 is widely used where a residue-free agent is needed to prevent contamination of industrial processes, or as a clean non-conductive agent to protect electrical control consoles, electric motors, machinery, and many other special applications. This extinguisher contains 50 pounds of dry chemical agent. At a gross weight of 145 pounds, it is easily transported and operated by one person, and available with multi-purpose, regular, or Purple K agent to suit your particular fire hazard. The 150-pound size, designed for larger fires, has a longer hose for greater firefighting mobility, and a longer discharge range for greater operator protection. It provides more agent and greater range with proportionately increased fire extinguishing capability. This unit contains 150 pounds of Halon 1211. Like CO2, Halon 1211 is a clean agent which evaporates after use. This high-power clean agent extinguisher is ideal for protecting communication facilities, industrial control centers, electronic complexes, delicate machinery, and industrial processes requiring a non-residue, non-conductive agent. Halon 1211, a high-rated, multi-purpose long-discharge range agent. Amerex products carry a 6-year warranty. Materials, workmanship, and performance exceed the requirements of the American National Standards, Underwriters Laboratories, Factory Mutual, and the International Standards Organization specifications. Amerex means performance. Manufacturing top quality products with stainless steel gauges, mounting hardware, fasteners, and fill ports. Chrome-plated brass and bronze fill caps, operating handles, fittings, and valves. Amerex means quality. Amerex and its authorized distributors are dedicated to providing prompt, efficient response to your fire protection needs. Servicing customers is our #1 priority. Employee training greatly improves the performance and effectiveness of fire extinguishers. First, place the extinguisher in the upright standing position. The operating procedures are depicted on the instruction plate. Pull ring pin. Open tank valve. Pull hose from rack. Start back 30 feet. This distance varies with size of extinguisher. Aim at base of fire. Open hose nozzle. Sweep side to side. The types of fires on which an extinguisher is effective are shown in the pictographic use code. Class A, trash, wood, paper-type materials. Class B, flammable liquids, grease, fuels. Class C, safe to use on live electrical equipment. If a class symbol is not shown, the extinguisher is not effective on that type of fire. If the symbol shows a red slash, such as this foam extinguisher label, it is hazardous to use the extinguisher on the red slash type of fire. The Amerex Model 333 is a 50-pound CO2 wheeled unit. It operates standing up, or on its wheels in this attitude. It is effective on flammable liquids and live electrical equipment fires. To use this unit on a fire, quickly move it to within 20 feet of the fire, pull the pin, and open the tank valve. Pull hose and horn from the rack. Start back 10 feet. Aim at the base of the fire and flood the burning fuel surface with CO2 agent. Carefully back away from the fire scene while watching for reignition. Have heaters, electrical devices, and other ignition sources turned off. CO2 is effective on electrical equipment fires by flooding the motor housing or by flooding the console or cabinet with CO2. Turn off the power as soon as possible and correct the fault to prevent reignition. When the danger of fire is over, have the extinguisher replaced or recharged immediately. The Amerex Model 495 is a 50-pound multi-purpose extinguisher effective on Class A, B, C fires. This is a typical Class A fire, burning wood pallets and cardboard, fully involved. Sound the fire alarm to get help. Move to the fire site. Stand the unit upright. Pull the pin. Open the tank valve. Remove the hose. Start back 30 feet. Too close will scatter the burning materials. Aim at the base of the flame. Then coat all the burning surfaces thoroughly with agent. When a knockdown and control is achieved, throttle back on the flow or shut it off. Separate smoldering materials to expose flame and burning embers. Coat them with agent to put them out. When it's available, soak Class A materials thoroughly with water to prevent reignition. A smoldering ember hidden in a crevice could erupt in flame hours later. The Amerex Model 490 is a 125-pound Purple K extinguisher, effective on Class B and C fires. A Class B fire, diesel fuel in an elevated open tank. Remember the technique. Aim at the burning surface and at the near edge of the flame front. Sweep slowly back and forth. Overshoot the sides momentarily. Initially submerge the near edge of the tank with the bottom 1/3 of your discharge stream to seal off entry of air. When the fire is out, carefully back away. Watch for reignition until the fire site cools down and is secured. The Amerex Model 600 is a 150-pound Halon 1211 clean agent extinguisher, effective on Class A, B, and C fires. An elevated 20-foot diameter tank of diesel fuel. Remember the technique. Aim in front of the near edge of the burning surface. Sweep slowly back and forth. Overshoot the sides. Keep the discharge stream low to preclude entry of air into the fuel. When the fire is out, carefully back away. Watch for reignition until the fire site cools down and is secured. Amerex Corporation manufactures state-of-the-art hand-portable units for all fire hazards. Stored pressure and cylinder-operated wheel extinguishers, plus stationary single and multi-agent skid systems to meet your extra high hazard fire protection requirements. And they all come with a 6-year warranty. Consult your local authorized Amerex fire equipment distributor for information on how to provide your employees and facilities with the latest in quality fire protection.